Hi everyone, this is Brad. On a day like a flexible instructional day, you want to make sure that your Google Meet link is available for students to see. In order to do that, come on over here to the three dots. Select the three dots, select Manage, and then make sure that the link is available to students by clicking on right there and making sure the blue check is there. Click on Done, and now you can see it is now visible to students. They can click on that and join you. Now, Zoom's a little different. You want to make sure you sign in, make sure to use Google. And go ahead and sign in. And then you can come right over here, select Schedule a Meeting. When you schedule a meeting, scroll down a little bit. You can see it's only for 40 minutes. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this a recurring meeting, and we're going to say no fixed time. Make sure to select Save. And now you can see here is your invite link that you could put into Google Classroom for your students to join. There's also the copy invitation right in there if you need that. Now, you could also come right over here, and there is also your personal room, which you could certainly select there and then copy the invitation. Just remember, it is only 40 minutes in length, and then you need to restart the meeting. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.